Ever found yourself struggling to unlock the door while carrying groceries or rushing home just to let someone in? There's a smarter solution. Smart door locks let you control and access your door from anywhere. No more fumbling with keys or unnecessary stress. They also add an extra layer of security to your home. In today's video, we'll explore the 10 best smart door locks that combine security, convenience, and modern technology, helping you find the perfect option for your home. Think about how often you reach your front door with your hands full. Groceries, a bag, maybe your phone, only to fumble for keys. For something we use every day, unlocking a door can still feel stuck in the past. The DESLOC U-Bolt Pro aims to change that by rethinking how access works altogether. Instead of relying on fingerprints or cameras, it uses palm vein recognition. You simply raise your hand a few inches from the sensor and it scans the unique vein pattern beneath your skin. Because it reads internal features rather than surface details, it's less affected by moisture, dirt, or small cuts that can trip up traditional scanners. The design is intentionally minimal, blending into a modern exterior without looking overly techy. It's built for residential durability with an IP65 rating for dust and rain resistance, and installation follows the same process as replacing a standard deadbolt, straightforward and familiar. Fun fact, it also has support for 100 palm veins, while most other locks support 50. Beyond palm recognition, you still get multiple entry options, PIN codes, a mobile app, or a physical key. Built-in Wi-Fi allows remote locking, access history, and real-time status checks without needing a separate hub. A door sensor confirms the door is actually closed before auto-locking, adding peace of mind. Power comes from a rechargeable 10,000 mAh battery designed to last for 9 months, the longest battery life in a palm vein smart lock we've seen so far, with a USB-C emergency input if it ever runs out. Biometric data is stored locally for privacy. In daily use, the touchless entry quickly feels natural, less like using a gadget and more like your home simply recognizing you. If Yale gave us convenience with a smart touch, this one feels like stepping into the future. The Lockzo Visage Zeno takes smart locking to a whole new level with facial recognition. You just walk up to your door and it sees you. No tapping, no phone, no keypad. It reads your face in a second and unlocks, day or night, thanks to infrared sensors that work in any lighting. What's reassuring here is that all your face data stays on the device. Nothing goes online, which keeps your privacy where it belongs, at home. And if you're in the Apple ecosystem, you're in luck again. Just tap your iPhone or Apple Watch and walk right in. That same kind of tap-and-go freedom works here too. But what adds even more value is how many ways it lets you in. There's a super fast fingerprint sensor, 0.2 seconds fast, and it learns over time, so it gets even more accurate, whether it's for you, your kid, or your folks. There's also Lockzo's Pin Genie keypad, which shuffles the digits every time. That means even if someone's peeking over your shoulder, they can't guess your code. Add in full smartphone control through the Lockzo Home app, support for Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, plus rechargeable batteries that last months. It's hard not to notice how much is packed into one lock. Now, we land on a lock that's more about value without cutting back on smarts. The Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro with Wi-Fi. And here's the thing, at around $150, it brings in features that feel way above that price point. You get true keyless entry. Use your fingerprint, a code, or just your phone's Bluetooth. The fingerprint sensor uses 360 degrees recognition and unlocks in just 0.3 seconds. It's powered by a learning algorithm, which means it gets faster and more accurate the more you use it. There's also auto unlock. As you walk up with your phone, the door unlocks by itself. And once you're in, the door locks behind you automatically, but only when it's fully closed. That adds a layer of peace of mind, especially if you're in and out a lot. The app gives you full control remotely. You can check logs, manage who gets in, and send time-limited codes to guests, cleaners, or delivery folks. You can even tailor access by time or day. For privacy, there's a tactile anti-peep keypad, and the lock is encrypted with AES 128-bit security plus dynamic keys. It's also IP65 rated, which means it can take on rain, dust, heat, or cold without blinking. And if you're into smart home setups, this one plays well with Alexa, Google Home, SmartThings, and more. So yeah, for a smart lock that doesn't blow up your budget, this one feels like a smart, capable pick. If you're someone already deep into the Apple ecosystem, this one might feel right at home. The Aqara Smart Lock U-50. It plays perfectly with Apple Home, and yes, that includes Apple Home Key. Just walk up, tap your iPhone or Apple Watch, and the door unlocks, even if your device is out of battery. That alone gives it a kind of magic not many locks can pull off. But it's not just about Apple. Pair it with an Aqara Zigbee hub, and now it works with Alexa, Google Home, and even iFTTT. So you've got remote control, real-time access sharing, and all the smart routines you can think of. What's smart here is the way it handles power and control. You can use app-generated codes, one-time passwords, and even offline access for visitors. Handy when you're not home but still want to let someone in. The auto lock is backed by a built-in gyroscope that senses when the door shuts. And there's a Do Not Disturb mode too, which comes in clutch when you're coming home late and don't want to wake anyone. Battery life? About 6 months on 4 AA batteries, which are easy to swap. There's even a USB-C port for emergency juice if it ever dies on you. It's got a rugged zinc alloy body, IPX5 rating, and handles extreme temperatures, so you won't be worrying about rain or snow messing it up. Plus, if you've already got a key you like, the U-50 makes rekeying simple. You can keep your old key and still upgrade to a smarter lock. Now, stepping away from just front door locks, here's one that's made to smarten up the rest of your home. The Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Lever. This one's perfect for garage doors, side entries, home offices, or even guest rooms. Places where you still want real control without needing a full deadbolt setup. What makes it stand out is how simple it feels. It connects over Wi-Fi without needing a hub, and you can manage everything from the Schlage Home app. Lock or unlock it remotely. Check the status in real time, or create unique codes for visitors, family, or even Airbnb guests. It's not just smart, it's stylish too. Schlage has always been about durability and design, and here they've brought both into one sleek package. It's certified with top ratings in strength, finish, and security. So it's not just a tech upgrade, it's a serious lock. And if you're using Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri, voice control is built in. You don't need to get up or open the app every time. Just say the word. You've got time delay locking, a built-in alarm, and encrypted data transfer to keep things secure. And since it runs on batteries, installation is quick and clean. No wiring mess, no extra hassle. So if you're looking to extend smart access inside your home without changing your whole door setup, this lever might be the easiest way in. If you're into clean design and smart function that doesn't scream for attention, the Level Lock Plus might be what you're after. This one's all about staying invisible. It fits right inside your door, so from the outside everything looks just the way you like it. Simple, neat, and secure. It's also the smallest smart lock of its kind, about 60% smaller than most others out there. But don't let that fool you. Inside that compact shell, it packs all the features you'd want. You can use your iPhone, Apple Watch, or a fob with Apple Home Key. There's also the Level app, a keypad if you want one, and even a good old-fashioned key. So whether your hands are full or your phone's at home, there's always a way in. With the app, you can send digital keys to friends or family in seconds. You can also set time-limited access for house guests, dog walkers, or anyone else you trust. And if you're away, no worries. You can still unlock your door from wherever you are and check activity through the app. It works with Siri, Alexa, Google Home, and even SmartThings. You've got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Matter over Thread support, so whatever setup you're already using, this lock fits right in. And it's no lightweight either. It's BHMAAAA certified, tested to hold up through decades of use. Rain, heat, cold, Level Lock Plus is built to take it all and keep going strong. We've got the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock, a bestseller that keeps things simple without cutting corners. This one's all about convenience. It installs on the inside of your door so your exterior stays the same, and you can still use your original keys. With built-in Wi-Fi, there's no need for extra hardware. Just set it up and control everything from the August app on your phone or Apple Watch. Lock or unlock from anywhere, or just walk up. Your door unlocks as you approach. It also locks itself after you leave, which helps when your hands are full or you're rushing out. You can share guest keys, track who comes and goes, and get alerts if your door is left open. August's DoorSense tech even tells you if it's fully shut and locked, which cuts out that second guessing. For security, it runs with encrypted connections and two-factor authentication. You can also use your phone's fingerprint or facial ID to unlock it. It pairs well with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Home. And if you want more ways to get in, there's support for keypads and fingerprint readers too. So, if you want something that blends in, plays nice with your routine, and adds real peace of mind, August does all that without overcomplicating anything. Next up, the Aqara Smart Lock U300, the first Matter-compatible lever lock. With NFC and Apple Home key support, you can just tap your iPhone or Apple Watch to get in. No need to fumble for keys. And it also features a highly accurate fingerprint reader built right into the handle. Plus, it supports up to 50 fingerprints, which is great for families or small teams. And if someone needs temporary access, you can set one-time local passwords or even periodic ones for guests, so no internet is required. Also, it connects smoothly with other Aqara devices, so if you're already in their ecosystem, this fits right in. Besides, you get flexible access too, with customizable passage mode and various password options. And don't worry about the weather. It's IPX4 rated and built to handle the cold, even down to -22 degrees Fahrenheit. So it might be a reliable choice for both indoor and outdoor use. Wave your hand and walk right in with the Veno plus palm vein smart lock, which uses palm vein recognition like UFI and TCL. It auto-locks behind you and integrates seamlessly with Google, Apple, Amazon, and Samsung smart home systems, letting you even ask Alexa to open your door. Plus, its 2K ultra-wide camera with motion detection and two-way talk lets you see and chat with visitors in real time, while voice masking keeps your privacy intact. Weatherproof and packed with smart alerts, its security and convenience rolled into one sleek package. Moving on to the Lockzo Video Smart Lock with Doorbell. This is a 6-in-1 powerhouse that combines a smart lock, 2K HD wide-angle camera, video doorbell, and security system in one sleek device. Unlock your door via fingerprint, face, keypad, app, voice, or key, and enjoy real-time two-way audio to see and talk to visitors from anywhere. With motion alerts, night vision, Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility, plus weatherproof IP65 rating, it offers top-tier security and convenience, all installable in just 15 minutes without a pro. So, that concludes our list of 10 best smart door locks. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.